Welcome to Commerce and Accountancy Coach. I'm Beulah Mahiban. So today we are going to learn arithmetic mean. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and continue watching the channel. Aim of today's class to learn to calculate arithmetic mean. That is, today we'll be concentrating on simple arithmetic mean, that too in individual series. So what does arithmetic mean? What do we really mean by it? Actually, the number which is obtained by dividing the sum of the values of all the items of a series by the number of items. So here what it is telling, when you add up all the values of of all the items of a series by the number of the items, then we get a number. So that number is the number which is obtained is called as arithmetic mean. So it is also popularly known as average or mean. So average, the word average you would have heard a lot many times. So it is actually we are summing up all the values in the series and we divide it by the number of items. So that will give us a central value which is called as the average or mean. So types of arithmetic mean. There are different types of arithmetic mean. So what are they? First one is simple arithmetic mean, what we are going to learn today. Next is weighted arithmetic mean. So we have two types, simple arithmetic mean and weighted arithmetic mean. So methods of calculating simple arithmetic mean. So when we take simple arithmetic mean, there are different methods in calculating it. So based on the statistical series, it differs. Okay. So based on the statistical series, what are the statistical series? That is individual series. We have individual series, we have discrete series, and we also have frequency distribution series. So what is this? Individual series is the single value what we will be getting. Discrete series will have the frequency too, a particular value occurring how many times. So the frequency will be given. So when we talk about frequency distribution series, it gives a class. From if you say like 0 to 10, how many times 0 to 10 occurs how many times. This is given as a group. So that is frequency distribution series. So we will be dealing today only on individual series. So calculation of arithmetic mean, AM is a short form of arithmetic mean in individual series. So individual series whose frequencies are not given. So we are not given the frequencies, the actual occurring is given. May be calculated in two methods. So today it's like we are going into subdivisions. So there are two methods in calculating this. That is, one is direct method and another one is shortcut method. So what is direct method? So the formula for direct method is x bar. There is a dash right in the upper part. There's a bar. So we call this as x bar. That denotes mean. X bar denotes mean. Is equal to x1 plus x2. What are these? These are the individual values, right? Observations. It can be for n number of observations divided by n. That is the number of item. So in short, we can write this as, this is called as sigma. Sigma represents sum, total. Okay, sigma x divided by n. So this is the basic formula for arithmetic mean. So if you see when it comes for the other series like frequency distribution series or or discrete series, only this formula is little bit modified. Right, but basically this is the thing, we are summing up and dividing it by the number of items, but we do a small modification over there. So sigma x by n. So we are moving on to example 1. I am reading out the question for you. The following table gives the daily wages of 10 workers in a factory. So they have taken 10 workers and they have taken their wages. So 1, 2, 3, that it represents the worker number and then the wages are given. Okay. Calculate the arithmetic mean of wages. Let's see how to calculate. Solution. So this is the formula we know, right? X bar is equal to sigma x by n, where sigma x is the sum of x and n is the number of data. So first I am finding sigma x. What I am doing is taking all the wages, right? 60 plus 70 plus 80. So I have put everything, the 10 and I have added. So it has given me the value of rupees 1060. So what is n? N is equal to 10. So now we'll put it in the formula. X bar is equal to 1060 by 10. That will give me 106 rupees 106. This is the average wage, or this is the arithmetic mean, right? So it's very simple. Add up everything and divide it by the number of data. Next is shortcut method. See, it's only we had only 10 workers, so immediately we were able to do. But when it is like more than 10, like say for example 100 workers are there, then what we can do? So like when the number increases, what we do, number and value, not only the number and the value, when it increases, what we do, we go for shortcut method. So what's the formula for shortcut method? X bar is equal to A plus sigma D by N. So you'll ask me, what is this A? What is this D? So A is assumed mean. We take assumed mean. Actually, how we take it? We take the least value and also the biggest value. Greatest and the smallest value. We add it and we divide it by 2. So we'll get a value that is called as assumed mean. Okay. So we take that as A, and then what is sigma D? Actually D is a new variable, right? So what we will do for finding D, what we actually do is, it is A minus X. It is X minus A. It is X minus A. That is the we'll have a value, right? That minus this assumed mean. X minus A will give you D. When you add everything, sigma is summing up, right? When you add everything, you get sigma D. So our formula will be X bar is equal to A plus sigma D by N, where D is equal to X minus A, capital A, that is assumed mean. So coming to the conclusion part, problems based on shortcut method will be explained in the next video. Okay, so watch the next video too. Don't forget to subscribe and to watch the videos continuously. Thank you.